seen you because I haven't come.
Oh, is that your drone?
Nope, I have no idea whose drone that is.
I wonder who controls it. Oh, must be the guy by the water.
No, the guy by the water is just spearfishing, and the drone is there maybe because he caught something, and then they're gonna ask him for. I guess they're just gonna ask him for his license or something.
Yeah. Took a vacation at sea.
I actually went to the sandbar.
Yeah, how big was it?
Sandbar, it's down over there.
Oh,
Hey, can you come out of the water so I can check your license?
so they can take license.
Yeah, they're checking everybody's license.
Oh, the first time I've seen him do that.
Thank you.
Oh, I don't know. I'm so not familiar with all the. I don't even know the boat laws. I just know filming laws.
I have
That's
mine
it.
on my cell phone.
You saw hogfish?
If you don't have a license, you can confiscate his equipment.
What?
Hit him or you hurt?
I didn't know that.
They
You see,
confiscate
you
his
know your
handlebars,
stuff.
everything.
It clipped him, but it didn't.
The jet skis are coming, you know.